Luscombe Suzuki are pleased to offer to the market this great example of the Ignis SZT. This is a recent part exchange. We sold the vehicle to its only owner and they had a service plan with us, so all servicing and maintenance has been carried out here at Luscombe's by ourselves, ensuring that mechanically it's in fantastic condition. Not just mechanically though, cosmetically as well. It's been very, very well cared for. I've had a good look round the vehicle. You can tell the previous owner took pride in it. Finished in the black pearl, which ties in very nicely with the black alloys, which are also in very good condition. Let me give you a close up there. And you've got the rear tinted privacy glass as well, which again adds to the styling. Silver roof bars. The Ignis is a very practical little car. You'd be very surprised at the room inside and the head height. The roof bars are load bearing, so you can put a roof box on there. Also got good boot space, so let's show you that. So let me open it up. In the rear, the Ignis has 2 seats rather than 3. The idea being that it gives nice wide seating to your 2 rear passengers, but also the boot space here, which is adequate. You can slide the seating using these tabs here, one there and one there, and that gives you even more boot space. You can also fold these down using these tabs, so you can have all of this back area, which is, as I say, one of the reasons why the Ignis is well loved. You'd be very surprised, especially if you use the roof bars as well, just how much luggage you can fit in this vehicle. So let's take a look inside next. Just like the exterior, really, really nice condition. Been very well cared for, as we can see. Nice leg room for rear passengers, as well as the head height. Due to the Ignis's styling, you can see it raises there, and the long wheelbase, it gives you a really nice head height and a surprisingly large cabin. Up front, the seating again nice and wide. You can see you've got these comfortable bolsters, height adjustable driver's seat, giving you really nice visibility on the road, and again really nice condition. You can just tell it's been well cared for. Give you a shot across the dash and the steering wheel. So in-car entertainment is this 7-inch colour touchscreen, very reliable unit. You get reversing camera, you get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can use all your favourite apps, sync that with your phone. DAB radio, which is pretty standard but nice. Underneath you've got air conditioning along with cooling and heating. Plenty of handy storage points as well in the car, so you can see there. So there we have it. That is our Ignis SZT. One owner from new. We originally sold it. Full service history with ourselves. We will also provide the vehicle with a 12-month advisory free MOT, a fresh service and a 1-year Suzuki warranty for complete peace of mind. So if you're in the market for a practical city car, the Ignis gives you great features, really economical driving, really good practicality. If you'd like more information or to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with a member of the team. Thanks for watching.